This coming November 2021, I will be hosting our first ever 100% free True Digital Marketing Masterclass, where I will show you why the digital marketing industry is tainted, why 92% of the market fails at digital marketing, and what the vicious cycles of digital marketing and SEO are. I will provide you the exact roadmap to get out of these vicious cycles and how to properly implement true digital marketing, or everything digital, in the most cost-effective and simplest way possible. And by implementing true digital marketing, you will become the hero of your business because you will be maximizing leads, sales, and conversions by unleashing the true power of the internet for your business. And if you want to get into this lucrative business of offering true digital marketing for other companies and make good money doing so, then I will also show you how and provide you everything you need to be successful from the comfort of your own home. So click on the link within this post text and register now. Spaces are limited. The English class will be on November 4th and the Spanish class on November 11th. Tell your friends, tell your boss, tell your coworkers, because trust me, you won't want to miss this.